Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. I am Kishore and today we are going to solve a classic Sudoku created by Dhammavanti. This Sudoku was created for the LMI Beginners Contest in 2012. I will add the link to the contest in the description. Do check out the contest for more classic Sudokus and variant Sudokus as well. The rules of this Sudoku are there should be 1 to 9 in each row, each column and each box. Standard classic rules. With that, we'll start solving the Sudoku. There is a 7 in row 1 and a 7 in row 3, so you get the 7 in box 2 here. And because of the 7 in column 3 and 7 in column 1, we'll get the 7 in box 4. And 7 in box 5 has only one cell left now. 7 cannot be in row 4, 7 cannot be in row 5, and it cannot be in column 4 and column 5 as well, so 7 will be here. And you will get the 7 now in row 8 column 8 because of the 7 in row 4 column 7 and 7 in row 1 column 9. So we have filled all the 7s now. Okay, there is a 6 in column 1, that gives a 6 in box 4 here because it cannot be in these 3 cells. Now we will pencil mark the remaining digits. 2, 9, 6, 7, 1, 5 have been placed. The rest of the digits are 3, 4 and 8. So those will be pencil marked in these cells. Okay, there is a 2 in row 9. We can pencil mark 2 in box 8 in one of these 2 cells. And because 2 cannot be in column 5, 2 in box 2 can only be in one of these 2 cells. And now we can get the 2 in box 3 because 2 is in column 8, 2 is in column 9. So 2 is in one of these 2 cells, but 2 is in row 1 as well. So you get the 2 in box 3 in row 2 column 7. And that narrows down 2 in box 1 to one of these 2 cells. Right? And if you look along column 7, 2, 4, 7, 8 and 9 have been placed already. 1, 3, 5, 6 digits have been placed. 3 and 6 cannot be here in row 5 column 7, so this will be 1 or a 5. And this cell has cannot be a 1, so it will be a 3, 5 or a 6. And row 1 column 7 has a 6, so this will be 1, 3 or 5. Okay, let's focus on column 6 now because it has 5 digits filled. 1, 6, 4, 5, 7 are already there. 2, 3, 8 and 9 are to be placed. But in row 4, 2, 3 and 9 are there. So the row 4 column 6 can only be an 8. So that gives a 4 here immediately. So this will be a 3, 8 and this will be a 3, 8. Now row 4 has 6 digits. Remaining digits are 1, 5 and 6, right? But column 4 has 1 and 5. So this will be a 6. And this will be a 1, 5 and this will be a 1, 5. Now you have a 1, 5 pair in box 6. 4, 6 and 8 are to be placed in box 6. But 6 cannot be in row 5. So 6 can only be in row 6 column 9. So these 2 digits will be 4 and 8, right? And because of the 8 here, we can mark the 3 in this cell. 8 won't be there. So this will be an 8. And now 3, 4 would have to be placed in these 2 cells. Because 1, 5, 8, 2, 6, 7 and 9 have been marked. So this will be 3, 4 and this will be 3, 4. Let's focus along column 6 again. 4, 5, 7, 1, 6, 8 have been placed. 2, 3, 9 are yet to be placed. This cannot be a 3, so this will be a 2 or a 9. This cannot be a 9, so this will be 2, 3. And this cannot be a 2, so this will be a 3 and 9. So if you see, I am pencil marking slowly. Pencil marking always helps to solve your classic Sudoku faster. Unless your memory is extremely good and you don't need to mark anything, it always helps to pencil mark digits in a classic Sudoku. Now there is a 6 in row 1, 6 in row 2. In box 3, 6 can only be in one cell, which is row 3 column 8. Okay, let's focus on column 8 a little bit, particularly this cell, row 7 column 8, because 2, 3, 6, 7 have been there and 5, 8 and 9 are already placed, so this is going to be a 1 or a 4. Okay, there is a 9 in column 3, a 9 in column 2, and a 9 in row 3. 9 in box 1 can be in only one cell, which is going to be here, and that gives the 9 immediately in row 1 column 8. Because of this 9 and this 9, you get the 9 here. Okay, in column 8, if you see, there is only one cell left for the 5. 5 cannot be here, and 5 can only be in this cell. We can eliminate the 5 pencil mark from that cell, so this will be a 3 and 6, and this will be a 1, 4 or 8, but 4 is there, so this is going to be a 1 or 8. Let's focus on column 1 now. 3, 4, 7, 8, 6 and 9 have been placed already. 1, 2 and 5 are to be placed, right? 1 cannot be in row 3, 1 cannot be in row 8, so 1 can only be in row 7, column 1. And remaining digits are 2 and 5 and 2 and 5. Okay, let's focus on row 3 now. 1, 6, 7, 2, 5, 9 are not possible, right? So 3, 4 and 8 are the only digits left, but 4 is also not possible, so this is going to be a 3 or an 8. And this will be 2, 3, 5, 8, but 2 is in column 9, so this will be a 3, 5 or 8. And this will be a 2, 3, 5, 8 again, but 5 is here, so this is going to be a 2, 3 or 8. Okay, now you have 1 here in row 7, that immediately gives you a 4 in row 7, column 8. That gives you an 8 here and a 1 here. And 1 in box 1 can be placed in only one cell now, because of this one and this one. 1 can only be in row 1, column 2. Now we'll finish off the ones in box 9. 1 is in row 8, 1 is in row 9, so 1 will be here. And that gives a 1 here and a 5 here. Because of this one, we get a 5 here. And because of this 8, we can mark the 4 here. And 1 in box 5 has only one cell left, right? This will be here. 2 and 9 have to be placed in these two cells, but 9 is in column 4, so this will be a 9 and this is a 2. Clear? And along column 7, 3 and 6 are to be placed, but 6 is in box 1, so 6 can't be here, so 6 will be here, and that gives a 3 here. Now 3 in box 2 can only be placed in this cell. Box 3 has to fill 5 and 8, but 5 is in row 2, so this will be a 5 and this will be an 8. These two cells will have 3, 9, but 9 is in row 7, so this will be a 3 and this will be a 9. And because of this 5, we can immediately eliminate the 5 pencil mark here to get the 2, and this will be an 8 to complete the row. And because of this 2, we get a 5 here. And in box 1, we have to fill 3, 4 and 5, right? 5 is in row 2, so this will be a 5. And this will be 3, 4 in some order. Row 7, we have filled 7 digits. 2 and 6 are to be filled, so this will be 2, 6 and this will be 2, 6. Okay, let's focus on column 6 now. We have placed the 9 here, so this will eliminate the 9 pencil mark in row 9, column 6, so this will be a 3. This will be a 3 and this will be a 2. 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 9 are placed in box 2. 4 and 8 are yet to be placed. So we'll pencil mark them. These two cells will be 4, 8. And if you see in column 4, you can't have the 3 in row 9, column 4 or the 3 in row 1, column 4. So 3 can only be in row 6, column 4. That gives you a 3, 4 here and a 4, 8 here. And column 4 has now only 8 left to be placed. We'll place the 8 here. And 8 in column 3 has only one cell now. That will be here. 1, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5 have been placed in box 8. 2, 6 and 9 are yet to be placed, but 6 and 9 are in row 8, sorry. So this will be a 2. This will be a 6 and this will be a 9. Sorry. I'll remove the corner pencil marks from there. Because of this 6, we get the 2 here. And 1, 5, 7, 2, 8, 9 have been placed in box 7. 3, 4 or 6 are yet to be placed. So that gives a 3 here because of this 3. You get a 3 here, a 4 here, a 4 here and a 6 here. And that completes this very satisfying classic Sudoku. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video and learned a little bit on how to solve classic Sudokus faster. We'll cover more classic Sudokus soon in the channel. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you soon.